There is one simple English word that instantly makes you sound more polished and fluent. People use go with or come with, but professionals use the word accompany. Accompany means to go along with someone or something, either physically or in connection with another action. It is used for people, actions, documents, and even sounds. Many learners think accompany only means physically going with someone. But it also means something that exists together. A letter accompanied the report. Pain accompanied the injury. Confusion accompanied the announcement. Useful patterns: accompany someone to a place, accompany something with something, be accompanied by. Music accompanied her speech, the proposal was accompanied by a budget. These patterns show both physical and non-physical usage. Examples: she accompanied her friend to the interview. A note accompanied the gift. His presentation was accompanied by soft music. Rising prices were accompanied by rising frustration. A shy student didn't want to attend a workshop. His friend said, "I will accompany you." Just having someone by his side gave him confidence. Later, he realized the real power of this word: simple, supportive, and professional. Think of accompany as a company. When you accompany someone, you give them company. And when two things accompany each other, they come as a pair, like a company of two. Use accompany instead of go with or come with to sound more elegant and confident. Comment if you want the next powerful English upgrade.